Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix YouTube search not working. So to fix that there is multiple steps. We are going to go through them one by one and hopefully one of them will work for you. So the first thing that you should do is to check that the YouTube is working normally, like try to open any video. And if videos are opening, this is a sign that the problem is not with your internet connection, the problem is with the search itself. Because sometimes when the search is not working, the problem is internet problem, not problem directly related to the app. And the second thing that we should do is to delete what you are searching for and try simpler words. So, for example, if you are trying to search for football stadiums in the United States and you are not finding any solution or result, so in that case, delete what you are searching for and search for football instead. And look if you found or if you can see any results. In that case, you have to know that the problem is not a problem with the internet or with the search, but the problem is with your search inquiry. So you have to search it with another terms or with another words. The next thing that you can do is to turn off the restricted mode, because the restricted mode can hide some search results, and to do that you have to go to YouTube. After that, click on your profile picture. After that, go to settings, and after going to settings, you have to go to general. And here, as you can see, there is the third option, restricted mode. You have to turn it off, of course, if you are adult and there is no problem with that for you. And if you are less than 18 years old, you have to ask your parents before doing that. And by turning off the restricted mode, usually you will see more search results. The next thing that you have to do is to check your internet connection and check if YouTube is using internet connection, usually from your phone. You have to go to settings, after that go to cellular, and after that go scroll down until you find the apps. Click on show all, go for YouTube, and be sure that it's on WLAN and cellular data, because if it's on WLAN only, that means YouTube will work only if you are connected to Wi-Fi. And if it's on off, of course, YouTube will not use any internet on your phone. And the next thing that we have to do is to update the YouTube app. If the YouTube app is not updated recently for you, or you didn't update the app for a long time, so you have to go and look for YouTube and see if there is any update like this. You have to update the app. The next thing that you have to do is to check YouTube with anyone who is next to you or in another device and try to use the search feature on YouTube. Because sometimes the problem may be from the YouTube servers, because it happened sometimes maybe once or twice per year that YouTube or other services may have some problems on their servers, and when they have those problems on their servers, they stop to work normally. So you have to check that, and after checking that, if everything is good and working properly, in that case, I advise you to delete the YouTube app and install it again on your phone. So to delete it, you have to go and long press on it, click on remove app, delete it, and after that, go to the App Store and install it again. I'm pretty sure that this problem will be solved for you. I hope that this video was useful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.